Service
Oh
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota until 3:15 p.m.
no! Whoa!
At 2:23 p.m., severe
Dang it,
thunderstorms
I'm
were located along a line extending from 11 miles southwest of Houston to Spring Grove to 6 miles southeast of Mabel, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
Someone plus that.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Jesus!
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Dang it!
Severe thunderstorms will be near Caledonia around 2:45 p.m. Houston around 2:50 p.m.
Oh, Jesus.
Brownsville around 3:10 p.m. Law Crescent and Hope around 3:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include County 16 and Four Corners Drive, Choice, Mount Prairie, Brisseford, County Bight and Peyton Road, Newhouse and Dunrun Park Campground.
Shit, scared me.
Prepare immediately for large
See how
hail and damaging
damaging
winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to localized flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Fillmore, and Houston. This is NOAA Radio WMC 41 in Rochester. A thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:75 a.m. from the National Weather Service Office across Wisconsin. This is a summary of hazardous weather for the southeast Minnesota and extreme western Wisconsin listening area. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:15 p.m. Tuesday for Fillmore and Houston counties. For more information, go to Weather Cross. And now look at your forecast for Rochester and southeast Minnesota. Rest of today. Mostly sunny with a 20%
What,
chance
you
of
know?
showers and thunderstorms. Near steady temperature in the mid-80s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Heat index readings around 95. For tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s.
Myself.
Light wind. Wednesday, mostly sunny.
Bye.